Hello friends, this is Karthikeya, your learning hub friend. Today we are going to discuss on the Newton's second law of motion. If you have not subscribed this channel, then please do so. Last time we discussed on the Newton's first law, where we discussed about the balance force which will make the body in uniform motion or stationary. If you have not seen that video, please refer the link in the description. As we discussed in the Newton's first law of motion, if a body is in motion, will continue to be in motion. Suppose a mass is moving with a velocity v1 and the momentum will become mv1. Now an external force has been applied which will change the momentum in that direction. The force which has been applied will be proportional to the rate of change of momentum, which eventually is acceleration. This is how the force equation is being derived as a rate of change of momentum, which eventually gives force is equal to mass into acceleration. So this states that the rate of change of momentum of an object is directly proportional to the unbalanced force in the direction of the force. If you see this video where a horse is pulling up the cart, is slowly applying the force and the cart started moving in particular that direction. So the force which has been applied by the horse is directly related to the proportion of the momentum change. In this video, you can see that the running car toys was stopped by applying force from the finger, which is making them into a stationary object. Please do subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.